Take some time just for you with this fun and easy blooms how-to. Believe it or not, every piece of this gorgeous arrangement is made of soft, moldable Play-Doh compound. When you open up your box, you'll find everything. We're going to explore 3 distinct flower-making techniques: bloomed flowers, hand-formed flowers, and rolled flowers. And once your creations are shaped and dried, we'll use a special finishing spray to preserve them for good. Let's dive in and start blooming. We'll kick things off with the stars of the show, these stunning, larger bloomed beauties. It's an amazingly satisfying process once you get the hang of it. First, place a flower cup securely over your base. Take a stick of your favorite compound color, your multi-tool, and one of the tube segments. Pro tip: if you want your flowers to match the box design, follow along with the handy reference card included. Cut your compound to match the exact length of the tube, attach the segment, and tuck your compound nub right inside. Repeat this across your segments. Feel free to mix and match colors for a fun twist. Next, grab a flower center and snap it into your plunger. Now for the magic part, press that plunger straight into the tube segments. And watch your petals form. If a petal tears slightly, don't sweat, just keep going. To release your flower, place 2 fingers underneath the base cup and lift upward. Right at the top, use your thumb to gently snap the flower center into the cup, releasing it from the plunger. Set your first masterpiece aside to dry, and repeat this process until you have 12 gorgeous blooms. Remember, leaving a bit of leftover color in your tubes can create an incredible gradient effect. While your main blooms are drying, let's create some smaller hand-formed flowers using segment number 4. Cut your compound to size, attach your segment, and prep your nub. Grab a stem, pinch a tiny ball of extra compound onto the tip to help secure your petals. Push your plunger down and gently press the formed petals around the stem one by one. Moving on to our third technique, rolled flowers. This one uses no tube segments, just your base compound and branchy stems. Roll about 1/2 inch of compound into a small snake shape. Press it firmly into the lacy mold on your base and trim any excess. Cut your strip in half, gently roll it into a delicate rosette, and mount it right onto the tip of a branch. Pinch the bottom to secure it and make 3 to 4 rosettes per stem. Now for the grand finale, putting it all together. Once your flowers have dried, snap your big bloomed flowers onto their stems. Grab your finishing spray and lightly spritz each flower. Don't panic if it looks white at first. It dries completely clear. Make sure to do this step over a trash can. Place your into the vase. Start by arranging your rolled and hand-formed flowers. Look at that stunning handmade bouquet.